Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures on your headphones Sony. So, right here at the right ear cup we have touch areas, and we would be use this one, and also I will show you these controls. So, first let me play some song. Here we go. If you press 2 times on your touch area, you will play or pause the song. 1, 2, and I just pause it, 1, 2, and I play a song. To increase the volume, you need to slide up on this touch area. And as you can see, I just increase the volume. To lower it, you need to slide down. And to play next track, you need to slide to the right, so something like this. And to play previous track, you need to slide to the left. And that's it. Also, if you press and hold on this touch area, you will call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. So you need to press and hold on it. And now, as you can see, Siri is awake, so it worked. Also, right here we have power button to turn on, turn off your headphones, and also you can click on it, press on it one time, and it said how much battery you have. And the last one is to custom button. We can change it, but by default it change ambient sound. So let me open the application. Over here, as you can see, right here we have ANC and transparency mode. So to enable it, just press one time and you will first enable ANC, press one more and you will enable ambient sound. If you press the last time, you will turn off all of these mods. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.